Kit cars. Kit cars can provide a different way for you to have a unique, fun experience in a car that you can build yourself. From sports cars and supercars to track monsters, classic car replicas, to even off-road vehicles, there's probably a kit car for you. But before we get into that, if you'd like to stay updated on what's going on in the car world, please consider subscribing below and hitting the bell. It really helps us out and can give you a lot of awesome information. If you look right up here, no one that watches my videos are subscribed. What are you guys doing? Go down there and hit the subscribe button. With kit cars coming in all shapes and sizes, there are endless possibilities for drivetrain components. Many kit cars have specified donor cars or another car that you need to purchase to be able to complete the kit. These can be cheap and easy like an old Miata or Cobalt, or even be a Corvette used as the base. One thing many people get wrong about building a kit car is that it's not just a body kit. Many of them come with their own frames and bodies, and you just use the running gear or engine and transmission, maybe a few other parts. There are options that go from cheaper than a new car to a price of a high-end luxury car.
People who build their own cars are different. They're naturally inquisitive, they're hardworking, they have tools, and they have a knowledge base and a skill set that's remarkable, and a willingness to share their information.
Today I'm going to cover what I think are the most unique kit cars, their prices, and why you should consider a kit car for your next vehicle. All the prices mentioned in this video are just for the kit, not for all the extras you may need to purchase. No list would ever be complete without the mention of the classic kit car. Most people have seen these kits in their life, and done right, these Cobras can be fun, light car for the street. My personal favorite Cobra kit is the Factory 5 Mark IV because it's not really that expensive.
$1174 at 118 miles per hour.
The base kit costs just shy of $15,000 and is plug and play directly with the 1987 to 2004 Mustang running gear. The complete kit comes in just shy of $21,000 and includes everything you need apart besides the running gear, wheels and tires, paint, and a battery. You can choose what engine mounting you want in the frame from a few different options. Next up, we got another car originally built by Carroll Shelby. This Ford Gt Replica is made by Race Car Replicas, and this kit car is considered to be so accurate to the original that RCR was contracted to build 28 replicas for the Ford vs Ferrari movie. The base kit starts around $27,000 but does not come with many interior parts, and you have to source a lot of other parts such as gauges, lights, windshield, pedals, brakes, shocks, and springs. You can buy the Deluxe Plus model starting at $46,000, which comes with everything you need to get a driving car. You just need to buy the engine and transaxle, and you have the choice of either Ford or Chevy engine mounts. Third in this list, we come across one of the cheaper ones, the Exocet and the Exocet Off-Road. This kit has gone so far to be featured in the Forza Horizon series, and its base model is a street monster using many parts from a 1990 to 2005 NA or NB model Miata. You basically take off the entire body from this and use all of the running gear underneath. You take these parts, mount them up to the frame that you purchased from Exocet, and you can go hit the track. This kit comes in 3 different models and prices. The base comes just shy of $8,000, the Sport comes just shy of $8,300, and the Race or Off-Road comes just shy of $9,000. The main difference between the 3 options is the way that the cage is designed. This car has some really unique specs, weighing in around 1,400 to 1,700 pounds depending on options, and the stock NA Miata having 116 horsepower. This can lead to a quick track car or street car. The off-road upgrade includes a 3-inch lift and still keeps a similar power to weight on a more rally-focused car. Back to Factory 5 with another quick car with cool style. The 818 is a new chassis and body design built to accept an old Subaru motor or the 2.3 liter EcoBoost Ford motor. You can take a wrecked Subaru, use the engine and transmission, stuff it in the back of the 818, and have yourself a rocket. There are even people that have swapped electric motors into their 818s. There are 3 different models of the 818. Right here you're looking at an 818C, but there's also the 818S, which is a convertible, and the 818R, which is a roofless track car. 818S starts just shy of $11,000. The 818C starts just shy of $14,000. And the 818R starts at just shy of $12,000. There are a few other options that you can spec out the car with, including a padded interior, shifter, and a few more. Factory 5 claims that they made the 818 for the next generation of car builders, not wanting a big V8 and a heavy car, just want something light, fast, and exotic feeling. This is by no means a complete and comprehensive list, just a few kits that I personally think are cool. Comment below what you thought about the video, which one's your favorite one, and I hope to see you next time.